OpenAI, a trailblazer in the field of artificial intelligence, made waves on November 17, 2023, with the unexpected termination of its CEO, Sam Altman. This decision sent shockwaves through the tech industry, as Altman was not only the face of OpenAI but also a key figure in the broader landscape of generative AI. The board's decision to remove Altman was rooted in alleged communication issues. In a statement, OpenAI revealed that Altman's lack of consistent communication with the board had hindered its ability to fulfill its governance responsibilities effectively. This revelation came after a deliberative review process, prompting the board to take decisive action. Mira Murati, the chief technology officer at OpenAI, was appointed as the interim CEO following Altman's departure. The company announced its intention to conduct a formal search for a permanent replacement, emphasizing the need for stable leadership in the wake of this unexpected change. Altman's significance in OpenAI's trajectory cannot be overstated. Renowned for his role in the success of generative AI technology, particularly the widely acclaimed ChatGPT, Altman had been a driving force behind the company's achievements.